Welcome back. In this video, we're going to introduce the main topic of this course, WordPress. As we learned in the last videos, there's a lot that goes on behind the scenes of a website, even just a static page. To get a full-blown content-driven site like a blog or a huge news site requires even more. All that content has to live somewhere in a database, and that database has to be connected to the code that we saw, and in turn that creates a dynamic website like the ones we love to see and create. You can see how this complexity would make it extremely challenging for someone with little technical experience to share their short stories, articles, or photo essays online. Thankfully, in the late 90s and early 2000s, developers began building frameworks, templates, and tools that automated many of these processes and allowed everyday people to create basic websites to share with friends, family, and whoever else stumbled upon them. And then, in 2003, something happened that would change the landscape of the web forever. An 18-year-old named Matt Mullenweg released a new platform to the world. And that platform was called WordPress. WordPress is a free, open-source platform and content management system that allows users to set up their own website and blog in under 5 minutes. WordPress took off and soon had thousands and then millions of users, thanks to the clean and intuitive web-based interface and the way it handled all the dirty work of creating a website, leaving the user an easy way to share their content with the world. WordPress's open-source nature has also created an incredible community around WordPress, which has only led to wider adoption of the platform. And that's really it. WordPress is just that, an incredibly powerful and simple tool that makes the creation of an amazing website simple and easy. As you'll see in this course, there's a reason why companies like TechCrunch, the Walt Disney Company, Sony Music, and BBC America, as well as celebrities like Beyoncé, Usain Bolt, Jay-Z, and the Rolling Stones, all who could easily afford a more expensive solution, rely on WordPress to power their websites. So get ready to dive in. In the next video, I'll explain the 2 different options you have for developing with WordPress, and then in the next section, we'll get WordPress set up and start getting to know this powerful tool in depth. See you then.